Play-Doh recipe that only needs 2 ingredients, then you're in the right place. 2 ingredient Play-Doh recipe coming right up. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2 ingredient Play-Doh recipe. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and watch videos to the end without skipping one bit. So let's get started. So the first thing you need is some kind of dish soap. I'm using Dawn. You can use any kind of dish soap that you like. Then you need some corn flour you need some corn flour and a bowl and a mixing tool. So first you want to add in your dish soap. Then add about that much. And I actually made something similar to this some videos ago, so make sure you go check it out. And then I want to add in don't add in too much, or it's going to become really dry. I want to add it little by little. So you want to add it little by little. And as you're turning it, you see that it's getting thick, but it doesn't have an instant reaction of Play-Doh. So you want to add more cornstarch. Oh no, I added too much. So I mistakenly added too much. I'm going to reduce it because it's going to make it really dry. And then I'm going to have to add in more dish soap. So never make this mistake at home, guys. End up wasting more ingredients. So I added more dish soap, and then I'm going to turn this, and you can see that the cornstarch I added is a bit too much, so that's why it's like sticking away from the container, but it's still melting. So I'm going to put the cornstarch and mix it all together. And then when it starts separating from itself, you know that it's starting to turn into Play-Doh like this. And then you want to sprinkle some cornstarch on your work table. And if you have known from my history of cornstarch videos, you know that it always makes a mess. So from okay guys, so there's kind of a hitch, but I'm back. I want to just knead this until it forms the right consistency. I'm going to clean up and show you guys the final results. Okay guys, so I cleaned up and this is how it turned out. It's really soft and fun to play with too. And make sure you go check out my other video on how quarantine Play-Doh recipe. So yeah, give the video a thumbs up if you like this recipe and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell notifications. I post videos every week and I would love to see you for the next one. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Peace out.